turned out in their numbers at the GTEC Community Stadium. So Jamaica looking to try and launch the first attack of the game. John Ross good ground, delivering dangerously of the club season. Even though perhaps his preference is for the other flank. Russell infield to Dixon. He still has it here. Kaheen Dixon goes down right on the edge of the penalty area. Only just outside, according to Sam Barrett. It's on the right. And he has spent most of the club season, even though perhaps his preference is for the other flank. Russell infield to Dixon. He still has it here. Kaheen Dixon goes down. Just got himself in front, didn't he? Kaheen Dixon, and it was right on the edge of the area. And they were trying to play their way out from the back, Trinidad and Tobago. Phillips had lost it initially. Oh, there's Dixon taking the touch. And it did open up for a sight of goal for John Russell, but he didn't quite catch it cleanly, and Phillips down to make the save. Certainly a player that they will want to see in those sort of positions, Russell, given the form that he's been in at the end of the season. A little goal score. Phillips dispossessed here by Russell. Cephas in support. Fast feet from him, and the referee is going to say penalty. The Unity Cup, a competition that goes beyond sport, really. Not the primary reason. Neatly done by Russell here. That was a lovely touch. The options either side. As a result, Davis was calling for it. He was looking for Burrell instead. Palmer, and again for Casey Palmer. And Davis, and nearly for Russell. As mentioned, it was likely to be his last appearance for them out of contract in the summer. Amari Bell. There's Cephas, the player who won the penalty. It was a real handful. Well through the middle. Here's Palmer, slips it through again. Lovely ball, opens up again, and well, that's a crucial challenge from Burrell did well. There's Russell. Burrell continued his run. Russell's threaded it into his back. Fixture that has been contested 72 times previously between these rival islands. Now Cephas opens up for Jamaica. Goalkeeper can't hold it. Morris to put them back in front after the 2-goal lead was lost. Russell. Wide for Green. Back with John Russell. Possible penalty shootout. Maybe the probable penalty shootout. Cephas brings that down. He stayed down.